for our Whitaker Bull signature candle scent, all of our candles come in this pick and pack box. It's to protect the box at all costs. So you'll open up your box, you'll find your gift box inside. You'll take out your drawer box, you'll recycle this, and then you will open up your box. Again, this one's really nice because I wanted the white to have a gold hardware, gold foil, so that you could display it like this, or you can display it like this, and then it kind of blended in with that person who has a very monochromatic home style. So you open up your candle box, you get your 3-inch matches with your custom complimentary match jar that goes with the candle. And then here is our signature candle scent. So this is my baby, my child. The smell is something I've never smelled before in a candle. It's very unisex. It smells like cologne, perfume. It's perfect for a unisex home, a home of a man and a woman. It's a perfect gift to give somebody because the smell is truly something else. And then what I love about this white candle is that the inside of the label actually glows when you light it. So when you light it, this label lights up. So it's just kind of seamless and blended right now. But it's that element of surprise that you get when you light the candle, and it's moody, it's sensual, it's ambiance, and it really does add that extra touch. So when you're lighting it, this lights up, it glows, it smells amazing, and it's our signature candle scent. Again, waterproof, can be used outside as an outdoor candle. And then you have its beautiful matches jar to complement it. And then again, here is your match striker on the gift box. And you can get in and out of your box with no issue because we created the drawer so that you didn't have to take things on and off.